Welcome to this hair spa educational video. In this video we are going to discuss how hair grows, why it grows less well for some people, and what you can do to maintain healthy hair growth. Both male and female hair has been shown to grow and respond to treatment in exactly the same way. Therefore, the information you're about to see applies equally to women as well as to men. Let's zoom in and take a closer look. You can see that hair, skin and blood vessels form quite a complex structure. This is called the hair follicle. Hair has a natural cycle. Almost as soon as the hair dies, another one starts growing from the oval of stem cells called the dermal papilla. As it grows, it pushes out the old hair and continues growing until it dies too. This natural cycle has three different phases represented on this clock. The growing phase of the hair is called the anagen phase. Early anagen starts with the first emergence of the new hair, which pushes out the old one. Anagen continues and the hair keeps growing for up to 6 years. In late anagen, growth slows down and the hair enters catagen, the dying phase. In catagen, growth stops and parts of the hair follicle are broken down as it detaches from the dermal papilla stem cells. This phase lasts up to 6 weeks. The hair then enters telogen, a resting phase which lasts around 6 months. As the hair is no longer attached, it cannot be repaired. It loses condition and can appear dull. Signals from the scalp and elsewhere in the body control every step of the hair cycle. Some signals, like these black ones, tell the hair to die and fall out. Others, like these blue ones, tell the dermal papilla cells to start growing and produce new hair. These blue signals are called growth factors. You can see that the blue signals last right the way through the anagen phase, keeping the hair growing. When the black signals return, they tell the hair to enter catagen and it dies. For some people, this process continues exactly the same for their entire lives. Anagen lasts for 6 years or so before catagen and telogen make the hair fall out over a few months before the next cycle starts. But for many of us, it changes as we go through certain life stages, resulting in thinning hair. In this case, the hair goes through each stage of the cycle as normal, but the anagen phase is shorter each time. This means that the hair starts to grow more slowly and your hair won't grow as long. Each cycle gets weaker, shorter and less coloured until it looks like peach fuzz and barely seen. This process is called miniaturization. Although the follicle is not dead, it can barely produce any hair at all. To stop this process, we need to maintain the amount of time that the hair spends in the anagen or growth phase. By maintaining the anagen phase, the hair will grow for longer each cycle, maintaining natural, healthy growth. Trichomax's answer is a serum applied directly to the scalp. The solution then penetrates the pores around your hair. The solution contains hair growth factors like the ones already in your body. These extra growth factors support your natural ones, maintaining hair growth. As you can see, Trichomax hair growth factors are an exact copy of your natural ones. They are derived from plants in a unique patent-pending process. There is no use of any animal or human cells, making Trichomax growth factors 100% safe and ethical to use. Now when your existing growth factors run out, the hair has access to safe Trichomax growth factors so it can carry on growing. This means you can maintain thick, healthy hair growth, and whether you're a woman or a man, you can combine Trichomax growth factors with any proven medical treatment that your doctor may prescribe.